Hello, I'm going to show you how I created Naruto without knowing anything about modeling. First, you have to open DAZ and create a new character. Then we send it to Blender. In Blender, using the tool grab, we start modeling. You just have to pull until your character starts to look similar and adjust the details of the face, eyes, mouth, and eyebrows. Then I go to Sketchfab and choose a bandana and adjust it to my character. After that, I just have to adjust the textures. Then I went to Photoshop to adjust the texture of the face. And we make small adjustments. Little by little, our character begins to emerge and look similar. After that, we will add the hair using the Blender particle system and make it look like Naruto's. Now just add some lights and put it to render using cycles, and this way I was able to make the Naruto in less than 1 hour. If you liked, please support by leaving a like and subscribe to follow more content soon.